What is the basic essential for shaping desire into action? What do you think? Hello friends, excellent evening to all of you. Hope you are doing well. I am Vartika and I am an IT professional. My hobbies are reading books, writing and cooking. I belong to a small place in UP, Lakhimpur Kheri. Yesterday night, I have read a significant chapter, Organized Planning, the Crystallization of Desire into Action, from the book Think and Grow Rich. It talks about desire is the source for anything we want to achieve in our lives. To give this desire life or breathe, we need some definite or organized plan of action. For example, I desire to become an entrepreneur. What do you think? Only the desire to become an entrepreneur will not result in anything. To make it happen or turn into reality, I might need a concrete plan with all desired resources and actionable steps to achieve it. The author clearly says that every desired dream needs the appropriate amount of planning and mastermind association so that it becomes achievable. Here the term I use, mastermind, it's not related to any group of people having mastery in robbery or conning people. It is something on a very broader level, where we have a perfect alliance of like-minded and motivated people. When we have the desire, definite plan, mastermind association, do you think that will be resulting in success? I don't think so. Let me clarify. Even when we have the right amount of desire, right amount of definite plan, right amount of mastermind association, we can have failures. However, with the right mindset, we should consider them as only temporary defeats and should always be ready with plan B if plan A does not work. Moreover, like that, only plan C if plan B does not work. There comes the role of organized planning, where we are already prepared with all sort of hurdles, consequences on the path of our goal. It is rightly said, Ambani did not become Ambani overnight. It was a combination of desire, definite plan and right association, and finally organized planning. Therefore, if we dream of something big or something our asset in life, we have to add a mix of these all key elements. I hope I was able to add some value to your lives. Thank you, good night and take care.